Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ here. Today we're making armadillo eggs on the grill, so let's get into it. Okay, so in a bowl I'm going to mix up the cream cheese. Just going to throw some in there, I'm not measuring anything. I've only got 4 peppers, so I'm just going to put in some cheese as well. And I'm going to put a little bit of some pork rub, just so that it has a bit of that flavour from the outside on the inside. And I'll give it a good mix up. And that's it, I'll put that aside. So I'm using Wee Sweetie Capsicums today as I couldn't find any jalapenos. So instead of having that jalapeno bite, it's just going to have a nice sweet capsicum taste to it. But a little bit of that spice from the rub that we're using should carry through as well. Now we're just going to cut the end off the capsicums and clean out all the seeds. And I'll just do that to all 4 of them. Now we're going to grab our cream cheese and I'm just going to stuff that into the peppers like so. Try and make sure you get it right in there. Push it all the way to the back. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. A little bit more in there. Yep, that's looking good. So I'll just do that to the others and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so that's all done. Now we'll just move that out of the way. And here's our pork mince. Just standard pork mince. I'm just going to pull it out. And I'll throw it into a bowl. And with the pork mince, I'm just going to put a bit of salt. You can put some pepper, a bit of the rub if you want. I'm just going to leave it with just salt. Give it a good stir through. And I'll just put it aside. Then what we want to do is just grab a handful of the mince and just try and make a ball around the capsicum or jalapenos if you're using those, so it's even spacing of mince around the outside. And I'll just do that to the other 3. Okay, those are looking pretty good. Just pack them in a bit so they're nice and firm. Now I'm just going to lay them on the chopping board and I'm just going to put a bit of that pork rub that we were using. I'll just sprinkle that on and just make sure I get all the sides, because as these heat up, this rub has got quite a bit of sugar in it, so that's just going to melt and put a little bit of a bark on there, a little bit of crispiness and sweetness. Alright, that's all done. And here we've got some streaky bacon. Just going to wrap these with bacon Just need a toothpick, just at the start. And then we'll wrap it around without it falling to bits. And we'll put another toothpick through, just to hold it in place while it cooks. And now I'll just go ahead and do the other 3, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so those are looking good. We're just going to put them on a rack and we'll take them out and put them in the grill. Now we've got the grill at 120 degrees or 250 Fahrenheit. I'm just going to put that grate straight on the grill. And I'm just going to put my Weber iGrill probe in there as well, just so I can keep an eye on it from inside. So now it's been 2 hours and these things are looking amazing. And give them a good feel, and they look and feel pretty cooked to me, so I'm going to take them inside, try them out. Alright, so we've got these inside. We're just going to pull out the toothpicks, so we don't want to go eating them, of course. But these have really sort of crisped up. That bacon's nice and crispy, and that rub's just created a little bit of bark on there too. A little bit of the cream cheese oozing out. But let's cut into them and try them out. Yeah, that bacon's really crispy. Oh, look at that. Bit of a smoke ring around there. Don't know if you can see it, but that apple smoke's really coming through. Let's cut into it and give it a go. Make sure we get a bit of that cream cheese. That's really nice with the bacon's gone kind of crispy, and with that rub on there is so good. The cream cheese and the fact that we didn't use the jalapenos and we used those capsicums. It's not hot, it's just kind of sweet and really nice. But next time I think I will try it with the jalapenos and see how we go. As you saw with that smoke ring, yeah, the apple smoke's really coming through there as well. That mint seems to absorb quite a lot of that smoke, so that's giving it a really nice flavour too. Alright guys, that's our armadillo eggs on the grill. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos, and we'll see you again next time.